Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 BMW X6 xDrive35i. This one is a carbon black metallic. Underneath the hood is a inline-six turbo pushing out 300 horsepower and 300 pounds torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one does come with the M package. Black leather interior with a poplar wood trim, sunroof, rear climate controls, X6 drive badging, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, power liftgate, keyless entry, ambient lighting, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. Forgot to mention the M door sill, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, our sports and comforts driving mode, our camera, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display. This X6 has 52,328 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X6, check out feldmanimports.com.